Today is May 13th, 2026, and this is AI latest in 5 minutes. I checked today's freshest verified sources and reliable reporting. The theme is clear. AI is moving from separate chat apps into the operating layer of phones, companies, research teams, and security workflows. Google is previewing a more Gemini-powered Android experience. OpenAI has 2 practical updates: Auto Scout 24 using ChatGPT and Codex inside real work, and the Parameter Golf Challenge showing AI agents in machine learning research. There is also reported news about OpenAI's Daybreak cyber platform, an official Anthropic and Warp session on self-improving Claude agents, and a reported Anthropic acquisition discussion around API tooling startup Stainless. Let's keep it useful, current, and hype-free. The first major update comes from Google's Android show coverage. Reports from the event say Google is previewing Gemini Intelligence as a deeper Android layer, not just another assistant button. The direction includes better task execution, Chrome summaries, AI-assisted widgets, Circle to search improvements, Gboard writing help, and AI support across calls, photos, and system apps. The important part is the platform shift. If Gemini becomes woven through Android, then AI assistants can move closer to the moment when users are browsing, typing, searching, calling, and organizing daily life. For viewers, this means the next AI interface may be less about opening a chatbot and more about the phone quietly helping across many small tasks. OpenAI's latest customer story is useful because it is not a lab demo. Auto Scout 24, a large European online car marketplace, worked with OpenAI to bring ChatGPT and Codex into daily operations. OpenAI says the rollout reached more than 2,000 employees across product, engineering, sales, marketing, and operations, with over 1,000 builders creating custom GPTs and automations. The case study says selected development cycles that once took 2 to 3 weeks dropped to 2 to 3 days, and teams used Codex for code search, test generation, reviews, and internal tooling. The signal is simple. Enterprise AI value is coming from workflow redesign, not only from buying model access. OpenAI also published what it learned from Parameter Golf, a machine learning challenge about getting strong performance from very small models. OpenAI says more than 1,000 participants made over 2,000 submissions, and many used AI agents to search ideas, write experiments, and refine architectures. The winning approaches were not magic. They often combined careful human judgment with agent-driven iteration, rapid testing, and old-fashioned understanding of constraints. This matters because AI agents are becoming research partners. They can generate candidate ideas quickly, but humans still need to define the problem, check the evidence, and decide what actually works. Now a reported security story. CISO reported that OpenAI is working on a cyber platform called Daybreak, aimed at helping defenders find, validate, and fix software vulnerabilities. The report describes Daybreak as a step toward AI-native defensive security, where agents can help triage issues and speed up patching. Because this is reporting around a developing product, treat it as reported, not a full official product launch. Still, it fits the wider pattern. AI labs are not only releasing general chat models, they are building specialized tools for coding, security, and enterprise operations. For security teams, the key question will be trust, audit trails, permission boundaries, and how much action an AI system can take safely. Anthropic's May 13th developer webinar with Warp is a good window into where agent products are going. The official event page says Warp will show how Claude powers self-improving agentic workflows. The examples include agents learning from developer corrections, rewriting their own skills, reviewing pull requests, analyzing user feedback, and monitoring social channels. That is a different mental model from a one-shot prompt. The agent is no longer only answering a question. It is operating inside a loop of work, feedback, memory, and improvement. For builders, the takeaway is to design agents with correction paths, logs, review gates, and clear success measures. One business quick hit, investing.com, citing the information, reports that Anthropic is in talks to acquire Stainless, a startup that helps companies generate SDKs and documentation from APIs. The reported price is at least $300 million, but this is not confirmed by Anthropic. Why mention it? Because model companies increasingly need developer infrastructure around the model, clean APIs, SDKs, docs, evals, and integrations. If this report becomes real, it would show Anthropic investing deeper into the developer tooling layer around Claude. Here is today's simple takeaway. AI is becoming the operating layer. On phones, the interface is moving from a standalone chatbot toward Gemini inside Android tasks. In companies, OpenAI's Auto Scout 24 story shows that useful AI depends on training, builders, internal tools, and workflow change. In research, Parameter Golf shows agents helping people explore many model ideas quickly. In security, the reported Daybreak push shows how AI systems may become defensive teammates, but only if controls are strong. And at Anthropic, self-improving Claude workflows plus reported API tooling acquisition talks point to the same future. Models need ecosystems around them. For beginners, learn prompts, but also learn APIs, workflows, security basics, evaluation, and documentation. That is where today's AI latest is going. See you tomorrow.